Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to a very late night in Los Angeles. It's absolutely beautiful right now. It's about 65 and there's no wind and there's no noise and it's just perfect and everybody's sleeping. So my favorite time to paint.
Yeah, 2 o'clock in the morning.
The other day we did a pork and it was really, really beautiful. I used all 5 of the Amsterdam colors, the Amsterdam Pearls, and we did a wandering straight pour across the canvas and it was really, really cool. And I really liked how it came out, but I was hoping for a wandering straight pour that got the fingerlings and the snake belly center that I call it. And because I filled up my cup so much, I had to pour it from up higher and we ended up getting more of that wispy bits, which was very, very cool and very pretty. But I want to see if I can make the snake belly happen. So we're going to do exactly the same thing, but I'm going to make one big difference. I'm not going to fill up the cup so full so that I can get close and I can get the effect that I want. So this is a 24 by 30 inch gallery wrap canvas. I have taped and pinned the back and I have painted my sides and edges. So that's ready to go. Okay, colors, I'll show you real quick. Okay, so we have our Decor Americana Decor Metallics in 24 karat gold. We have some Amsterdam Permanent Blue Violet. And we have some Amsterdam Prussian, but then I added a little bit of that darker base coat color to this, just to deepen it even more. I'm just going to show you the pearls real quick. That's Pearl Blue. I'm just going to show you the consistency on one, because they're all the same. Pretty thick. Okay, that's the Pearl Blue. I have Pearl Green. I have Pearl Yellow. I have Pearl Red. And I have the Pearl Violet. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to take this cup. Last time I filled it all the way to the very, very top. We're not going to do that this time. We're going to be a little bit more careful and have some self-control. Hey, hey. All right there.
Sorry.
Thank you. No laughing. So we're going to start with some of that darker Prussian blue on the very, very bottom. And just make sure that's all across the bottom. Now we're going to layer our pearls. We're going to put some Pearl Blue in. And some Pearl Green. I'm going to do it a little differently tonight. I'm going to put a layer of gold in there. Not a lot. We're going to put our Pearl Red in. And then the Pearl Violet. I probably should have put the Pearl Yellow in between, but we're going to put that in right now. And there's the Pearl Yellow. Okay. And now we're going to put a little layer of the Prussian Blue along the side there. We're going to do that again. I don't know if I want to use the purple. I may not. I'm going to go Pearl Blue, Pearl Green, some 24 karat gold, just a little bit. Okay, now we're going to put the, alright, the red, Pearl Red, Pearl Yellow, and then another layer of Pearl Blue. Well, no, we'll do some purple this time. And we're going to put the Pearl Violet in. So I'm leaving out the white this time. And put another layer of Pearl Blue and Pearl Green. Alright, we're going to stop there. Because any fuller than that and the same thing's going to happen. Okay. I do need to put just a little bit of blue on top of that though. Okay. So we have our base coat color, which I scraped off the table. So this is that same deep Payne's gray that we had, but now it has drips from the last pour. So it's not quite as dark and it's got some pearls in it, but it's still deep and dark enough that I think that the pearls are going to show up on top of that darker base coat color. Because remember, on top of white, they show up white and very pale opaly, but on top of a darker color, the pearls really have a lot of beautiful color. I think that last pour we did was probably the most successful in getting the Amsterdam pearls to really show their colors, so it was really cool. All right, we're gonna start. I'm gonna put a base coat down about here. Okay. All right. Okay, so we've got our base coat down. Now we're gonna take our cup, which is not as full as last time, so hopefully I can get closer. We're gonna start over here, HOA, yeah?
Yep.
Okay, so I might have to start a little higher, but then I'm gonna get a lot closer and try to get that fingerlings with the snake belly. Are you ready, husband of awesomeness?
Yes, my love. Just be ready.
Here we go. Belly. I see we're much closer this time. Now we're getting those beautiful fingerlings.
Sticks the landing.
So this is much more of what I wanted to make happen with these fingerlings on either side and these really cool lines, this gradation in here. Beautiful. Okay. Gonna put a little bit of this on our corners. So obviously the part that I want to keep the most is right here, along that edge and along that edge, and then this center part. So these outer edges, they're sacrificial. And this is kind of sacrificial, and this is kind of sacrificial. So let's take it down this way first. I'm just going to stretch this out and open it up. And what I want to keep is this part up to about here. From here on, it's going to be mostly Prussian, so maybe we'll keep about that part. Okay. We're just going to walk this down nice and easy. That way we keep our lines intact. Nice and slow. We're going to get right off that corner and bring it back. Take the weight of the paint back to that corner. Those lines are really cool. I think we're going to keep most of them, so that's good. Just get that off the edge, just like that, and again bring it back to center. Take it down here. Go off that side. Edge of it. Base off. Let this float down. There. distribute some of this color a little further down. I'm not crazy about that half moon thing that's happening right there, so we're just going to get rid of that a little bit. I'll take this back. That's pretty cool. What do you think, HOA?
Yeah.
So my question to you is, you see how right in here it's like opened up, and I just dripped in that. Let me take the drip off. No, we're not. But that part's more opened up, and this is really compressed. I can open this up, or should I just leave it alone and we like the composition?
No, open up.
I like that part down at the bottom now. Okay, I'm just going to take a little bit of that off so that we can open up this top section. Unfortunately, we're going to lose that part that I was just saying is really cool, but that's okay. I'm going to take some of this off down here. Maybe a little bit more. And I think I need to go off of that corner too. Let this float down. Might have to take off a little bit on that edge too, so we can open that all up. Just a little more. What do you think?
I think you need to take some of that off.
This?
Yeah.
What, the darker or the lighter?
That first of all, that peninsula.
I like the peninsula. But we can go this way a little bit. I think I want to stop there. I like that. I love this. I'm going to wipe my hands off so I don't drip in it. That's really pretty. The contrails all in through here. That's really cool. I really like all of this. And I love this. I like this too, but I like this better. And I'd rather open this up more. This is like so pretty in there with the gold and that little bit of purple. Alright, you happy we're getting rid of your peninsula? Even though I like the peninsula. Snake bellies, peninsulas, fingerlings. We have all these words. Okay. I like that better, actually. And this is the part that amazes me. That was one layer of purple. And 2 layers of blue. 2, 3, 2. Okay. Let's turn this around again so you guys can see it. So, okay. Alright, I love this. I love the purple and all of these cells in here, and then the Prussian color in the background giving us dimension and depth. I love this part right in here. This is going to be all the different colors of pearls with a little bit of gold and just a tiny bit of purple. This is really pretty. I'm glad we opened that up. This is going to be beautiful when it dries, and I think this is going to be that snake belly effect that I wanted. This is cool. I'm excited. So this is more close to what I had in my head, and I think it's going to be awesome when it dries. So I will show you guys when it's dry. Thanks so much for hanging out with us. We'll be right back with dried results. What's up? I can already see the pearls a little bit. Cool. Right in here especially. You see the pearl yellow and the pearl blue and the pearl green. Awesome. Sweet. Okay, so here are our dried results of our Amsterdam Pearl Wandering Straight Pour. This time we used less paint in the cup, and we definitely got those beautiful fingerlings and that snake belly effect that I liked so much. All of these beautiful lines. It is kind of hard to get all the colors to show up. I actually have it laying flat on the floor in the sun. So, but this one came out really beautiful. You can see all that beautiful pearl blue and the gorgeous, oops, sorry, no, don't overexpose it. Sorry. All of the beautiful pearl violet and the pearl yellow. That's where the original permanent blue violet was, but all of these beautiful gold cells in here. It's very iridescent. I love these lines though. So pretty. Gorgeous details. Lots and lots of colors, so I'm very happy with this one. It's really pretty and really soft and ethereal. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with us today. Hope you enjoyed this one, and we will be back on Wednesday night. Have a great day. Bye-bye.